And while the security forces turn their focus to St. Andrews South Police Division, bloodletting and mayhem continue in Clarendon. Another member of the Jamaica Defence Force was shot and killed at a birthday party early this morning.
It's been less than a month, exactly 2 weeks in fact, since Jamaica Defence Force Private Alan Oswald was shot and killed in Clarendon. But today, the JDF is again mourning one of its own as Private Paul Lindsay was shot dead in Clarendon Park early Sunday morning.
I can't hear that one. I'm not going to hear that one. It's too much for me.
His mother, Mavis Lindsay, says Private Lindsay was celebrating his birthday Saturday night into Sunday morning here at the 45ers bar. Reports are that sometime after 3 o'clock, a man dressed in dark clothing came out of nearby bushes and opened fire at Mr. Lindsay, hitting him multiple times all over his body. Another male was also shot during the incident. Both were taken to hospital where Private Lindsay was pronounced dead. Up to news time, the extent of the other man's injuries were unconfirmed. Mr. Lindsay's relatives and friends say they are struggling to come to terms with his killing, knowing the kind of person Private Lindsay was.
Some man when I tell you say, he no trouble nobody. Boy, I don't know. I just can't understand this one. I don't know.
I'm a one of a kind. The boy, they do everything to me. Can't believe to say, gunman would come and shoot me son. Ain't too good. Never hear my nobody a quarrel. Me never hear him a complain. Him and everybody a friend. Me want to know what make them kill him. Me that want to know.
Information we have suggests that it was still a robbery scene. Purely because all the individuals that went there to rob were masked. And usually when they are masked, they are seeking to rob for money only. But the gentleman in question, who is a member of the Jamaica Defence Force, responded, and in the tussle that followed, he was shot.
Mr. Lindsay's licensed firearm was reportedly taken by the gunman.